Good day to each and everyone. I'm Shanine E. Panagiton, together with my partner, Rain Calracaza. In this presentation, we'll be discussing the Woodcock-Johnson Psychoeducational Battery. And in this topic, we'll be discussing the description, administration, scoring, and interpretation of the test. And now, we will proceed to the discussion of our topic. Ano nga ba ang Woodcock-Johnson Psychoeducational Battery? In 1977, the Woodcock-Johnson Psychoeducational Battery was first introduced. This test is importante kasi it helps to measure a person's cognitive abilities such as kung paano mag-isip yung isang tao and academic achievement. And noon pa man, ang mga schools and psychologists need something more accurate and scientific to assess kung gaano katalino o kung may learning difficulties ba ang isang tao. Ang test na ito was made by Richard Woodcock and Mary Johnson. They wanted something na hindi lang basta quiz lang, kundi but something scientifically validated and could actually help people understand their learning potential. In 1989, they released the new and improved version of this test, which is called the Woodcock-Johnson Revised or WJR. The purpose of this update was to make the test even better sa pagsukat ng intelligence and academic performance ng isang tao. Ang test na ito is not just about answering the multiple choice question, but it actually measures the three major aspects, which are cognitive abilities, scholastic aptitude, and academic achievement. Ang cognitive abilities this refers to how your brain process and understand information. Ang scholastic aptitude, basically, this is about your potential to learn. Parang how will you adapt to new information and apply knowledge in different ways. Ang academic achievement naman ito ay nakafocus on actual school subject like reading, writing, and solving. And now this test is based on a really important psychological theory which is called the Cuttle-Horn GFGC theory of intelligence. Ang GF or fluid intelligence is about your ability to solve new problems even without prior knowledge. So like kung magaling ka sa puzzles or figuring things out on the spot is ibig sabihin mataas yung GF mo. Ang GC naman or crystallized intelligence, this one naman refers to the knowledge you gain over time from school and experiences. So like memorizing facts, understanding language, having a strong vocabulary. Sa past years, ang test na ito is patuloy siya nag-i-improve and nag-i-evolve para maging more detailed and useful siya. Next is the description of the test. Ang Woodcock-Johnson Psychoeducational Battery, it is a test that help measure kung gaano katalino ang isang tao and how will they do in school. Woodcock-Johnson Psychoeducational Battery comprises 35 tests divided into areas, which is test of cognitive abilities and test of achievement. Test of cognitive abilities, this part is all about measuring your thinking skills and brain functions, kagaya ng memory, processing speed, and problem solving. Test achievement naman is this part gina-measure yung actual academic achievement ng isang tao, such as reading, writing, mathematics, and general knowledge. This Woodcock-Johnson assessment evaluates skills and academic achievement in reading, written language, mathematics, and knowledge. So, parang this test is very comprehensive siya kasi it doesn't just check one skill, but it evaluates a wide range of abilities from basic literacy to advanced thinking skills. Ang test na ito is given to a various age groups from children to adults. Next is the administration of the test. This test is administered by an interviewer who asked questions about letter, pictures, or text. Basically, ang test na ito is not like a usual multiple choice exam, but instead, merong interviewer and examiner who will personally ask you questions. Ang test na ito is done using an eSEL format. So instead of answering on a computer or paper, the examiner flips pages on a stand-up booklet, which is called the eSEL, and showing different prompts. Woodcock-Johnson test comes into two versions, which are the standard battery and the extended battery. Ang standard battery, ito yung main version with 7 core tests, enough to measure basic intelligence and academic skills. Ang extended battery naman, this one has 4 tests, meaning mas comprehensive siya. It includes more in-depth assessment for people who need a detailed cognitive profile, like those being tested for giftedness, learning disabilities, and educational needs. And as you can see sa aking PPT, dito makikita natin yung 7 tests, which 7 tests na meron ang standard battery and 14 tests sa extended battery and other tests na ginagamit ng mga professionals. And next is, ano nga ba ang importance ng test na ito? First is used for diagnosing learning disabilities, cognitive impairments, and giftedness. And second, nag-provide siya ng detailed insights into cognitive strength and weaknesses. And lastly is ginagamit ito na sa mga school psychologists, educators, and clinical professionals. And that's all for my part. Next is si Rain Cal.
So we will be proceeding in scoring of Woodcock-Johnson Psycho-Educational Battery scoring. The Woodcock-Johnson used a standardized scoring system based on norm reference data. And on number 1, we have a standard scores, mean equal 100, standard deviation equals 15. And second is used to compare an individual's performance to the general populations. And number 2, we have a percentile ranks. This indicates the percentage of individuals in the norm group who scored lower. Example, a percentile rank of 75 means the individual scored higher than 75% of peers. And lastly, we have a age and grade equivalence. Represents the typical age or grade level at which a raw score is average. Example, an age equivalent of 10.5 means performance is similar to 10.5-year-old. And lastly, we have a growth scores. It is used to measure progress over time, often in educational settings. So as you can see, we have a sample data and interpretation here. So, letter word identifications, we have a SS equal 95, percentile rank equal 37. The score is slightly below average, indicating some difficulty with word recognitions. And applied problems, we have a SS equal 108, percentile rank equal 70. It is above average performance in solving practical math problems. Passage comprehension, SS equal 85. Percentile rank equal 16. It is a below average performance, suggesting difficulty in understanding written text. And second, we will talk about the interpretation of result. Interpreting the results requires a comprehensive understanding of that individual's background and test performance. And lastly, we will talk about the purpose of the Woodcock-Johnson battery. The Woodcock-Johnson Psycho-Educational Battery is designed to assess cognitive abilities, academic achievements, and oral language skills. It helps educators and psychologists understand an individual's strengths and weaknesses, guiding personalized learning strategies and interventions. The purpose overview is identifies learning disabilities and giftedness. And secondly, we have an informs educational planning and interventions. And lastly, to assist in diagnosing cognitive or processing disorders. And the conclusion of this topic is that Woodcock-Johnson battery is a powerful tool in the hands of skilled professionals, shaping educational paths and helping individuals reach their potential. Thank you for watching.